Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, Star Atlas fans. We just wrapped up a very special, nostalgic episode of the Atlas Brew, and the energy in the room was absolutely electric. Sitting right on the eve of the highly anticipated first town hall of 2026, the community gathered not to spoil the big surprises, but to take a trip down memory lane. The vibe was a classic throwback to the OG days of theory crafting, exploring the dual horizons of Star Atlas, the macro-scale mega projects of the future, and the micro-scale journey of the lone explorer starting with nothing but an airbike and a dream. Before diving deep into the future, the host, Jose, made sure to remind everyone of the massive technical foundations currently coming to fruition. We're looking at the imminent launch of the Zinc Network, Star Atlas's very own custom blockchain built on Solana. This network is a massive game changer designed to deliver high-speed, low-cost transactions that finally solve the challenge of high gas fees outpacing gameplay rewards. Parallel to Zinc, the C4 PTR is actively being put through its paces by dedicated community testers, laying the groundwork for a full-scale, politically driven metaverse economy. The discussion then shifted to the political landscape, specifically a feature slated to roll out once C4's foundation is rock solid, the democracy module. This represents the first major political gameplay loop, allowing players who upgrade a star base to Tier 5 to unlock a local senate. Here, players can lock their crew members into political roles and channel their locked polis voting power to influence regional treasuries, set tax brackets, and draft local laws. There was even some wild speculation about autonomous zones and regions seceding from their parent factions to become independent trading havens. Beyond politics, the Brew explored other massive, cooperative megaprojects. Jose brainstormed ideas like faction-wide Dyson spheres to reduce warp-gate travel fees, specialized harbors for crafting unique faction ships, and even DAC-specific headquarters that unlock when a guild controls more than half of a sector's claim stakes. But Star Atlas isn't just for the mega guilds. The conversation elegantly transitioned to the microcosmos, the onboarding experience for a brand new player with a single crew member and an airbike. The vision is to have these newcomers take their first steps inside bustling planetary cities actually built and colonized by other players, seamlessly blending the massive macroeconomy with intimate, personal roleplay. Speaking of roleplay, we also got an exciting update on the upcoming Star Atlas RPG campaign. Designed to showcase deep character customization and lore, this campaign will allow players to truly live out their sci-fi fantasies next month, whether that is playing as a political mastermind or a pacifist healer tending to wounded crew members. Of course, it wouldn't be an Atlas Brew without celebrating the incredible community that makes this universe possible. Faction Council member Emperor jumped on stage to spotlight a brand new player improvement proposal submitted by Nord and the Super Phoenix DAO. They are looking to fund and compensate the brilliant minds behind Super Phoenix Sports, who incredibly ranked in the top 1% of Twitch streamers during their recent events, a massive feat for a pre-alpha game. To top off the community appreciation, Jose dropped the Iris Blessing campaign code early in the show, which is simply tomorrow, complete with the exclamation mark. To wrap it all up, this brew was a beautiful reminder of the sheer scale and audacity of what the Automata team and the community are building. It's a journey of relentless grit, trial, and error, but one that is steadily marching toward a living, breathing metaverse. The message is clear. The wait is almost over. Make sure to tune in tomorrow at the usual time for the official 2026 Town Hall, where the team will pull back the curtain on Zinc, Project Gallia, and the C4 PTR. Get your tickets, use the code, and prepare for a massive day of announcements. We'll see you in the Gallia Expanse.